Hello, Fleur Allen here from Ask Fleur. I work as a business success coach, and you're here because you're watching my video series for my Next Level Success business workbook, which is available for free. It's a download from my website, askfleur.com, so grab that. And this video is step 5. I'm just checking my notes we're halfway once we've done this one. So the Next Level Success is my 10 steps to double your revenue. I focus on a premium client journey, and that's what this is all about. So step 5 is conduct a SWOT analysis, and all these steps are building up on each other. So step 4, we set a breakthrough goal, and step 5 is looking at that breakthrough goal and looking at your resources and seeing what your strengths, your weaknesses, the opportunities and threats are. So that's what a SWOT analysis is. Again, another acronym: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Strengths and weaknesses is often internally inside your business, what you have control over. Opportunities, threats is often external, the external environment that your business is working in, whether that be economically, politically, the environment, or the resources you might have that's kind of a little bit outside of your control, or often a lot outside of your control. It's often looks like a matrix. So let me just share my screen for you. See here that I've got the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. That's what I mean by a matrix. This is just some examples that I've created here. Looking at your breakthrough goal in a revenue or income or something to do with your increasing your clients or your premium clients or something. And looking at what your strengths are. So looking at what you do really well, and then look at the potential weaknesses. And some things can be in both, because sometimes a strength can actually be a weakness as well if it's really, really super dominant, and it can limit you. This scenario, this fictional scenario, the strengths of the business owner is good long-term client relationships, low overheads, it's an online business. Their weaknesses is a lack of a timetable structure, doubting belief that they can achieve it, and feels like a big responsibility of running a business. Opportunities are network with business owners and access to online channels to also network. And threats are concerned that if you got a bad review or testimonial, what impact that would have, loss of data, or your backups fail, or just general equipment failure, your computer failed, or your internet failed, and things like that. So looking at the potential threats there and risks to the success of your business. So it's just a reality check, and it's a moment in time. So this will change all the time. So you can do a SWOT analysis on either your whole business or aspects of your business. So what I'm suggesting you to do is to use this tool to look at how you can achieve your breakthrough goal. So what are your strengths? What is in flow, and it makes it easy for you to do it. But what are your weaknesses? Where does that where you let yourself down, or the weakness of the business? And the opportunities and threat. The opportunities are great because technology makes it so much easier to work online. But as we've put here, what if that technology fails? What happens then? So is there a contingency plan, or what happens? So that is an example of using the SWOT analysis just to work out where you're at right now to achieving your breakthrough goal. And then you can work on that. And this will change. You do another SWOT analysis once you've achieved it. So here I've left you space for you to write it down yourself. So think about it from your point of view and write your answers down there. That's step 5 of our 10 steps to doubling your revenue. Honestly, if you do all these steps and implement them and take action, you will double your revenue. And the timeline on that is entirely up to you, because it's up to you of how quickly you implement these things. I encourage you to, once this video finishes, is to do your SWOT analysis based on your breakthrough goal that you set in step 4. And I look forward to, we're now halfway, I look forward to seeing you at step 6.